Hello, you are watching Mojo for Industry, India's first mobile journalism platform for industry.
I'm Subjit Roy, presenting you the daily news bulletin, Industry News Today. Let's take a quick look at the headlines. Prime Minister unveils key projects in Gujarat. Vice President says finance commissions and local bodies should encourage green buildings through tax incentives. Ola to set up world's largest scooter factory in Tamil Nadu invests rupees 2,400 crore. Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled various development projects in Gujarat. These projects include a desalination plant, a hybrid renewable energy park, and a fully automated milk processing and packaging plant. The Chief Minister of Gujarat was also present on the occasion. The Prime Minister said, foundation stone laid for the renewable energy park in Kharera, desalination plant in Mandavi, and the new automatic plant at Sarhad Dairy in Anjar are going to create new milestones in the development journey of Kutch. The Vice President of India, M. Venkaiah Naidu, appealed to the finance commissions and local bodies to encourage green buildings through various measures including tax incentives. He also wanted all states to create online portals to provide single window clearance to green buildings. Virtually inaugurating the 12th Griha Summit, the Vice President said that there is a need to promote green building concept by both the private sector and the government. The finance commissions and local bodies should encourage green buildings through various measures including tax incentives. Ola, one of the world's leading mobility platforms, signed the Memorandum of Understanding with the Tamil Nadu government for an investment of 2,400 crore in setting up its first factory in the state. Upon completion, the factory will create almost 10,000 jobs and will be the world's largest scooter manufacturing facility, which will initially have an annual capacity of 2 million units. According to Bhavish Agarwal, Chairman and Group CEO Ola, this will be one of the most advanced manufacturing facilities in the world. The factory will cater to customers not only in India but in markets around the world, including Europe, Asia, Latin America and more. The company is gearing up to launch the first of its range of electric scooters in the coming month. That's the end of today's Industrial News Bulletin. Thank you, and we will see you in our next bulletin tomorrow with a promise of keeping you abreast with all latest industry developments. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Goodbye.